Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this spicy garlic paneer. It's very easy recipe, very few ingredients, and you can put them together in no time. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, go and hit the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. Let's get started. To start off here, I'm adding 1/3 of a cup flour, 1/4 of a cup fine suji or semolina, 1/4 of a cup cornstarch, half a teaspoon white pepper, salt to taste, 1½ teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder for the color, and also 1 teaspoon chili powder for heat. 4 to 5 garlic that I'm going to grate it. If you're going to use garlic paste, that's also fine, but I think the fresh one would give more flavor. Now go and combine, add water to make paste. Now add just a little bit at a time. I don't know how much water you might need depending on the measurement. Just as long as it's pouring consistency, that's what we want. Now go ahead and coat the paneer cubes. This is a homemade paneer. Cut them into nice bite-sized cubes. Now go ahead and coat the paneer cubes into the batter that we just prepared. Just add the paneer, coat them well. The oil is nice and hot, medium-high heat. Fry until it's nice and golden in color. You need to have this crispy outside and the paneer is going to be nice and soft inside. You don't want to overcook. Once you see this beautiful color, you want to remove the paneer out of the oil. In another kadai, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of oil. To this, I'm adding 1 tablespoon minced garlic. Saute until it's nice and brown. To this, I'm adding 1 tablespoon chili garlic sauce that is homemade. You can add store-bought as well. Saute until it's well combined with the garlic. 1½ tablespoon soy sauce or tamari. Combine again. We are cooking this on a high heat. Everything has to be ready to go in the pan. 1 teaspoon ketchup or sugar. Saute until it's nicely combined for 25 seconds. 2 tablespoon green onion. Go ahead and combine again and add the paneer. Now go ahead and quickly mix them on a high heat just for 15 seconds. You don't want to keep it for too long, then it becomes soggy. You want to have this crispy exterior. You want to just saute it quickly and go ahead and serve with garnished with some green onion. I hope you enjoy watching. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.